Unit 9. Tape script 9.1. Years. 1,
1996,
2,
1916,
3,
2002,
4,
1799,
5,
1840,
6.
2005.
Tape script 9.2.
1840, 1996, 2005, 2010, 2010.
Tape script 9.3. Jane Austen.
Jane Austen, the English writer, was born in 1775 in Hampshire, in the south of England.
Luciano Pavarotti.
Luciano Pavarotti, the Italian opera singer, was born in 1935 in Modena, in the north of Italy.
Tape script 9.4.
She was a writer. She was born in 1775. He was an opera singer. He was born in 1935.
Tape script 9.5. When were you born?
When were you born?
I was born in 1994.
When was he born?
He was born in 1978.
When was she born?
She was born in 1991.
When were they born?
They were born in 2001.
Tape script 9.6. Magali Dromard.
My name's Magali. It's a French name, but I'm not French. I'm English. I was born in 1994. I have 2 brothers and a sister. My eldest brother's a doctor. His name's Tristan, and he was born in 1985. My sister is also older than me. Her name's Cecilia, and she's a teacher, and she was born in 1988. And my little brother is Matt, and he was born in 1996. He's still a student. My father is French. His name's André. He's from Marseille, and he was born in, I think, 1958. My mother is English. Her name's Ella. She's from Manchester, and she was born in, 1961. My grandmother, who is my mother's mother, is called Edith. Isn't that a lovely name? She was born in Bristol in, I'm not sure, but I think about 1935.
Tape script 9.7. When were they born? 1,
Shakespeare was born in 1564 in Stratford-upon-Avon, England.
2,
Mozart was born in Salzburg, Austria in 1756.
3,
Diana Spencer was born in Sandringham, England, in 1961.
4,
Andy Warhol was born in 1928 in Pittsburgh, in the United States.
5,
Michael Jackson was born in 1958 in Indiana in the United States.
6,
Benazir Bhutto was born in Karachi, Pakistan in 1953.
7,
Marilyn Monroe was born in 1926
in Los Angeles in the United States.
8.
Ayrton Senna was born in 1960 in São Paulo, Brazil.
Tape script 9.8.
Who was Shakespeare?
He was a writer.
Where was he born?
In England.
When was he born?
In 1564.
Tape script 9.9.
Shakespeare was an artist.
No, he wasn't. He was a writer.
Shakespeare and Diana were Irish.
No, they weren't. They were English.
Tape script 9.10. 1.
Ayrton Senna was an actor.
No, he wasn't. He was a racing driver.
2.
Jane Austen was a princess.
No, she wasn't. She was a writer.
3.
Marilyn Monroe and Michael Jackson were Italian.
No, they weren't. They were American.
4.
Mozart was a scientist.
No, he wasn't. He was a musician.
5.
Luciano Pavarotti and Michael Jackson were politicians.
No, they weren't. They were singers.
6.
Benazir Bhutto was a writer.
No, she wasn't. She was a politician.
Tape script 9.11.
Go.
Went.
Come.
Came.
Have.
Had.
Be.
Was.
Make.
Made.
See.
Saw.
Buy.
Bought.
Say.
Said.
Find.
Found.
Tape script 9.12. Who is Jackson Pollock?
Terry Horton, a 60-year-old lady from Los Angeles, went shopping in San Bernardino, a town in California, USA. She was in a charity shop when she saw a colourful modern painting. She bought it for $5. An art teacher saw the painting and said it was by the American artist Jackson Pollock.
Who is Jackson Pollock?
Said Terry. She had no idea that he was a very famous modern painter. Many art experts came to her house to see the painting. Some said that it wasn't a Pollock, but one expert, Peter Paul Biro, found Pollock's fingerprint on the back. Biro said,
"This is a real Pollock painting."
A rich businessman was happy to pay $9 million for it, but Terry said,
No, I want $50 million.
In 2007, a Canadian TV company made a film about Terry and the painting. It is now for sale in an art gallery in Toronto. Price, $50 million.
Tape script 9.13. 1.
Yesterday I met my mother at 1 o'clock and we had lunch in a restaurant.
2.
I hate doing housework, but last Sunday I did a lot because my house was a mess.
3.
Yesterday was a lovely day, so I went for a walk in the park.
4.
Usually I walk, but yesterday I went to work by bus.
5.
On Saturday night I went to a great party. I had a really good time.
6.
I did a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym.
7.
The party wasn't very good, so we went home early.
Tape script 9.14. Months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Tape script 9.15.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th.
Tape script 9.16.
16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
Tape script 9.17.
The 1st of January. The 3rd of March. The 7th of April. The 20th of May. The 2nd of June. The 12th of August. The 15th of November. The 31st of December.
Tape script 9.18. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to